Ever wondered what became of the world of How to Train Your Dragon more than 1,000 years later? After the dragons retreated to the hidden world, Hiccup and Astrid built a life, raised 2 children, and led Berk into a new era, while Toothless became the ruler of his own realm and started a family. And even though the trilogy ended, the story quietly continues 1,300 years later in the 9 realms. The new writer partners with Thunder, yes, Toothless's own grandson, and stumbles across ancient markings and tools left by Hiccup himself, proving he kept visiting Toothless in secret. Then comes the reveal. The young writer is actually part of Hiccup's bloodline. Comment, Hiccup forever or Team Toothless to show which legacy you stand with.